Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I have something special to share with you all. My application has been shortlisted for the product design intern role at the Jar company. And in the next stage of the interview process, they have given me an assignment to design an online voting application. I was really working hard for this assignment. And you know what, guys? I went to Clay from college to focus just on this assignment, even though I had a Python test today. And getting selected or not is secondary, but I want to give my best in this, guys. I have to complete it within 5 days, and now just 3 days are remaining. So far I've done a lot of research, and I have conducted an online survey to understand my audience better, and reading all their responses has been really rewarding for me. Each response teaches me something new. ChatGPT has helped me organize all the survey responses, and I've stored that data in FigJam so I can access it easily whenever I need. I've also started working on the wireframes, and designing this app is really challenging, guys. My target audience isn't just students or professional. It includes everyone with the right to vote. This means considering our grandparents who might struggle with smartphones, or people in rural areas who aren't tech savvy. It's a big responsibility, but I will try my best. As I said, getting selected or not is secondary, but I will put my heart into this assignment. Later, I won't have any regrets that I didn't try. The main thing is, I'm learning a lot while doing this assignment, and that matters to me the most. I'm excited to see where this journey takes me, and thank you all for your support. I can't wait to keep you updated on my progress. Let's stay motivated and support each other. Tata.